Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we explore the latest products from cutting-edge technology to premium lifestyle upgrades for your home. Today, we are stepping outside into the backyard because we are reviewing something that can completely transform how you think about storage and personal outdoor spaces. This is the Windemere 10-foot wide by 12-foot deep storage shed by Handy Home. It is much more than a storage shed. It is a versatile space that can be customized to suit a variety of needs, whether as a workshop, an art studio, a gardening hub, or even a peaceful backyard retreat. In this review, I will go through every detail including design, build quality, functionality, included features, user experiences, and my final verdict on whether it is worth your investment. Let us begin. The Handy Home Windemere storage shed stands out with its modern and contemporary styling. This is not your standard plain storage shed. The extended architectural roof overhangs add a refined and attractive look, while the large window suite and integrated transom windows bring in plenty of natural light. This feature makes the shed feel open and inviting. While it certainly functions well as a storage unit, the design makes it appealing for other uses such as a hobby room, an art space, or a small home office in the backyard. One of the most notable strengths of the Windemere is its use of treated, engineered wood siding. This siding is designed to resist fungal decay and protect against wood-destroying insects, making it a durable choice for various weather conditions. The structure is built with 2x4 wood framing that extends from the ground to the roof peak, ensuring strong overall stability. This level of construction strength ensures that the shed will remain sturdy and reliable for many years. The entryway features pre-hung double doors that are 6 feet high, which makes it easy to move large equipment or furniture in and out. These doors include integrated transom windows that allow additional light to enter while adding an aesthetic touch. They are mounted on full-length galvanized steel hinges, which prevent the doors from sagging over time and help maintain perfect alignment. A keyed locking handle is also included to ensure that your items are kept secure inside. Inside, the Windemere offers an impressive 1,018 cubic feet of storage space. This capacity is ideal for storing everything from lawn care equipment and bicycles to outdoor furniture and seasonal decorations. The height and openness of the shed also make it suitable for use as a workshop or creative studio. With the right organization and furnishings, it can serve many different purposes beyond storage. The shed comes with a complete wood floor, including treated wood floor framing and decking. This is a significant advantage because it means the structure is ready for immediate use once it is assembled. However, it is important to note that a foundation is not included. Before starting assembly, you will need to prepare a stable and level foundation to ensure proper installation and long-term durability. The Deluxe window suite is a standout feature. The Windemere includes a total of 11 windows made up of 8 transom windows and 3 large operable windows. All the windows feature aluminum frames with glass panes, providing both durability and a clean appearance. The operable windows allow for natural ventilation, which makes the shed comfortable to use even during warmer seasons. The abundance of natural light also makes it ideal for activities that require a bright and airy workspace. The Windemere is designed with all wood pre-cut and ready for assembly. The kit includes illustrated instructions and the necessary hardware, which makes the process straightforward for those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects. For individuals who prefer professional help, Handy Home offers delivery and installation services in certain areas. This service provides a complete solution where the shed is delivered and built in the same visit. It is very important to confirm that this service is available in your area before making a purchase. Once assembled, the shed must be painted and caulked to protect it from the elements and to give it a finished look. With your purchase of the Windemere shed, you will receive the ventilation system, door lock, all 11 windows, the main shed structure, and the double doors. Shingles are included only if you choose the professional installation service. If you are assembling the shed yourself, you will need to purchase shingles, paint, and caulk separately. The foundation is also not included, so preparing one ahead of time is necessary. One customer described the shed as great once built and gave it a 5-star rating for quality and appearance. However, they mentioned that hiring a professional to assemble it did not work out because they live in the rural mountains of Georgia and no one was available to build it. They ended up constructing it themselves despite the challenge. Another customer praised the structure for its beauty and atmosphere, saying, "My art comes alive within its walls," which highlights its value as a creative and inspiring space. Although the feedback is generally positive, the most common challenge is related to assembly logistics. Those living in rural or remote areas may find it difficult to use Handy Home's installation service and may need to build the shed themselves or hire local contractors. Buyers should also account for the additional cost of paint, shingles, and a prepared foundation, as these are not included in the base purchase. The Windemere shed offers modern and attractive styling that can blend well with a variety of outdoor spaces. It features durable engineered wood siding and strong 2x4 framing. The abundance of windows and natural light makes it highly versatile, allowing it to serve as storage, a creative workspace, or a small retreat. The pre-cut wood and included instructions make it approachable for do-it-yourself assembly, and the storage capacity is generous for many household and hobby needs. On the downside, installation services are not available in every location, which can be a problem for those who are not comfortable building it themselves. The need to purchase additional materials such as paint, shingles, and a foundation can also increase the overall cost. Maintenance will be required over time, especially in areas with harsh weather conditions, to keep the shed in excellent condition. The Windemere is ideal for homeowners who want more than just a simple storage shed. It is perfect for individuals who appreciate thoughtful design, ample natural light, and the flexibility to adapt the space to their needs. Whether you are an artist looking for a dedicated creative space, a gardener needing an organized tool storage area, or a do-it-yourself enthusiast looking for a personalized backyard project, this shed offers both style and function. The Handy Home Windemere 10-foot wide by 12-foot deep storage shed is not simply a storage solution. It is a customizable and attractive structure that can enhance your backyard in multiple ways. With its durable construction, appealing design, and versatile interior, it is a worthwhile investment for those who plan carefully for assembly, foundation preparation, and finishing touches. If you are ready to take on these preparations, the Windemere can become one of the most enjoyable and practical additions to your property. That concludes our detailed review of the Windemere storage shed by Handy Home. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Goods for more in-depth product evaluations that help improve your home and lifestyle. Have you purchased the Windemere shed or something similar? Share your experience in the comments below, as your insight could help others make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.